everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wonton noodle soup called Yuntun Mian, which contains wontons and noodles, is a traditional Cantonese delicacy. If you have a bowl of shrimp-filled wontons and chewy egg noodle soup in the cold winter, you will definitely feel warm and comfortable. Let's get started. Prepare 10 grams of scallion, chopped. 200 grams of lean pork, cut into pieces. Also need 8 grams of ginger, 100 grams of shrimp meat. Put them into a meat grinder. Minced. Look at the seasonings of the fillings. 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cooking wine. Add them to the minced meat. Stir with chopsticks. Until mixed well. Start wrapping wontons. The wonton wrappers I bought have starch on them. When wrapping, need to apply a little water around the wrappers to knead them together. Put a little meat filling on one wrapper, roll it up, and then pinch the two ends. Just like this. The extra wontons can be frozen in the refrigerator. Noodles usually use egg noodles. I use the chicken powder as the soup base. It would be better if there is chicken stock. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder to a bowl. Add 100 milliliters of hot water. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil. Add noodles and wontons. Boiling until cooked through. Transfer to the bowl with soup. Wonton noodles are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.